If you're a beginner investor, I am about to share a huge secret with you. My comments are often flooded with beginner investors saying, I want to invest, I just don't know what stocks to buy. Well, I'm going to show you one simple hack to give you some ideas for possible investments. You ready? Let's go. Ooh, wait, smash that follow. Okay, so you all know what index funds are, right? They're like baskets of stocks, and large financial institutions run them. They pick what goes in these ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Now, some of them are fairly basic, like an S&P 500 index fund. But others can be way more nuanced than that. And looking at their top 10 holdings can give you, a beginner investor, a lot of great insights as to what the big money is investing in. First, you're going to go to a website like this, Seeking Alpha, and you're going to look up large cap growth-based ETFs. And you're going to scroll down a little bit until you get to the top 10 holdings. Now, yeah, it might be pretty obvious to an experienced investor. They look at a growth ETF and they see Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. Yeah, duh. But for a new investor, there's a lot of great insights in there. So what if you wanted some dividend-paying stocks? Well, you can look up a dividend-paying ETF. These are their top 10 holdings. And I know what you're thinking. Hey, why not just buy the ETFs instead? And you could. Investing only in ETFs is great. But you might decide, hey, you know what? I want some individual stocks in my portfolio. I just don't know which ones to buy. This little hack has got you covered. But what if you wanted to find some mid-cap companies? Just look at their top 10 holdings. And what if you wanted some small-cap growth companies? Just look up the top 10 holdings for a small-cap growth ETF. Okay, I know what you're going to say. Fine, but I'm really interested in agriculture stocks. I just don't know where to find any. Oh, yes, you do, because you've hit that follow and you're watching my video. Just look up an agriculture-based ETF and just check out their top 10 holdings. You can do this for anything, electric vehicles, energy stocks. Look to see what the big money is buying. Maybe it gives you some good ideas and maybe it doesn't.